Let's draw the character nin together. Draw each line in the right order. This is the upper part and this is the lower part. The upper part is the character ni, which means you. The lower part is the character sin, which means heart. As you can see, the character sin is look-alike a heart, a real heart. So the sentence for this character is, from the bottom of my heart, I call you with respect. So this character means you. The difference with ni is that nin means with respect. So when we want to call the elders or our boss or teacher, we can use nin. Thanks for watching.